Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Stripe and automate invoice follow-ups with AI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Stripe download and hit enter. Locate the official Stripe website from the search results. Click on the link to access the home page of Stripe. On the top right corner, find the sign up button and click it. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Next, navigate to the Products section on the dashboard. Here, you will find the option to access the Stripe API. Follow the prompts to generate your API keys. Make sure to copy your publishable key and secret key. Now, let's set up invoice automation using AI. Search for AI invoicing tools compatible with Stripe, like Zapier or Automate.io. Choose one that suits your needs and sign up for an account. Once logged in, look for the option to create a new automation or Zap. Choose Stripe as the trigger app and select the relevant trigger event for invoices. Next, connect your Stripe account by entering your API keys when prompted. After that, select the action app where you want to automate follow-ups, like an email tool. Set up the follow-up action, customizing the email template to match your branding. You can now specify the timing for follow-ups after sending an invoice. Once everything is set up, test the automation to ensure it's working. If the test is successful, activate the automation to start using it. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded Stripe and set up automated invoice follow-ups with AI. Feel free to explore advanced features to enhance your invoicing process further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.